Hey everyone, welcome back to our Clean Life blog channel. Today, we have a super quick and effective tip for removing those pesky grease stains from your clothes. Trust us, this method works like a charm. Let's jump right into it. The key here is to act quickly. Don't let it set as soon as you notice the grease stain. The faster you address it, the better your chances of success. Grab a clean paper towel or cloth and gently blot the stain. Avoid rubbing, as it can spread the grease further into the fabric. If there's still some grease on the fabric, sprinkle cornstarch or talcum powder onto the stain. This will help absorb the excess grease. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After the waiting period, use a soft brush to remove the powder and the absorbed grease gently. Be careful not to scrub too hard. Now, it's time for the secret weapon, dish soap. Apply a small amount of liquid dish soap to the stain. It's excellent at cutting through grease. Gently scrub the dish soap into the stain using an old toothbrush or a soft cloth. Again, avoid being too aggressive to prevent damage. Rinse the stained area with cold water. Check to see if the stain is gone. If it's still visible, repeat steps 5 and 6 until it disappears. Once the stain is gone, wash the garment as you normally would. Make sure the stain is completely gone before drying it, as heat can set stains. There you have it, folks. A simple yet highly effective way to remove grease stains from your clothes. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tricks. Follow my blog cleanlifeblog.com for more cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.